How many levels do game badges have on Steam? Please subscribe and leave a like if this helped. So for every game you buy on Steam, you can level it all the way up to level 5. So it starts at level 1, and then you can go to level 2, level 3, level 4 every time you buy a set of trading cards. And then you can get it up to level 5, so I've bought the remaining trading cards here. My Loop Hero badge is currently level 4, so let's level it up to level 5. So I'm going to click on Craft Badge. Crafting the badge, and then now I've maxed it out at level 5 any second now, boom, and you get 500 XP. So for every game you buy, you can get 500 XP per game. Now that is pretty cool. You can use this to level up your account, and obviously this means the more games you have, the more levels you can get. So when people have ridiculous levels like level 6000, it means they have tens of thousands of games and they've leveled most of the badges up to level 5.